Okay guys, so for today's warm-up, we're going to do a Tabata. We're going to do a jump rope and reverse lunges. Obviously it's a fast jump rope with reverse lunges. Make sure that they are stretching into that lunge. We're not worried about keeping that weight over that front leg. Get back, stretch those hips out on those lunges. So after that warm-up, then we're going to get into 3 exercises. Our side lunges, our speed skaters, and our broad jumps. And this is where you're going to want to tell your members that speed is not the goal. So it's really hard for a lot of our intermediate members to take the time on some of these exercises. So slow them down. For example, on those side lunges, make sure that they're just not zooming from one rep right to the next. Get their weight over their outside heel. Get some depth. Optimally, they're probably not going to be able to get their knees to their hips. So try and get them down there. Same thing on those speed skaters. It's really easy to get going quick on those. Maybe get right next to them while they're performing those speed skaters. Have them catch and balance on one leg before they jump off onto the other leg. So we're getting some explosive movement off the outside of those legs after the side lunges. And then same thing on those broad jumps. Get some distance on them. So slow them down on those. Then we're going to get into some strength movements. We have 15 reverse dumbbell flies and then 12 seated dumbbell shoulder presses. So they're going to pre-exhaust those rear delts on those dumbbell flies. That's a light movement. And then they're going to get into some seated shoulder presses. So you can seat them on a box, maybe on a wall ball, whatever they're doing, make sure that they're tightening that core as they press on that shoulder press. Just those 2 exercises back to back, 3 rounds. Then on the next superset, we're going to be doing our 15 suspension rows and then our 10 dumbbell pullovers. So we're doing tru-x rows, we're doing a horizontal pull. So just because they can do pull-ups doesn't mean they're going to do pull-ups. Set them up on those rings and get them with that horizontal row. And then the pullover, of course, we're going to stretch those lats that we just worked. After that, you're going to get them on the ground for 40 seconds of plank, 20 seconds of Russian twist. Finish them off with 4 rounds of that.